Happy morning to all. My name is Barsukia from grade 5. Now I am going to deliver a speech about most celebrated festival in southern India. Do you guess what? It's Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival and holds a lot of cultural and traditional significance in the mind of the people who are celebrating it. It is a celebration of prosperity that comes with a good harvest. People get ready for this festival by cleaning house with decorative flowers. The celebration is spent over the 4 days, and the name of the 4 days are Bogi, Surya Pongal, Matu Pongal, and Kanum Pongal. It's taken in mid-January each year. Pongal got its name from a traditional dishes made with a good harvest rice, boiled in milk, jaggery, and later offered to God as Pongal means to boil over in the Tamil language. The rest of the India celebrated as a Magi, Biyu, Magara Shankaranti, and Lohir simultaneously. Now I am going to tell the history of the Pongal festival. There are so many legendary stories associated with the Pongal festival. According to the one of the legend, Lord Shankara orders his bull to go earth and give the message to all his worship to bath in oil every day and eat a food once a month. The bull went to earth and delivered the news, revised, and he asked to people to bath in oil once and eat a food daily. Lord Shankara became angry hearing this and he asked him people eat a food every day. He therefore ordered his bull to go earth and help a humankind produce gain as per as some Sanskrit scholar. So I would like to control my speech by saying advance happy Pongal. Pongalo Pongal to all. I pray for your prosperity, peace and happiness in your life. Thank you.